Emotional Intelligence: Why It Can Matter More Than IQ. By Daniel Goleman is an insightful and transformative book that explores the concept of emotional intelligence, EI, and its profound impact on our personal and professional lives. In this book, Goleman challenges the conventional belief that intelligence is solely determined by IQ and presents a compelling argument for the significance of emotional intelligence in determining success, happiness, and overall well-being. Goleman initiates the exploration by delving into the intricate workings of the emotional brain. He elucidates how emotions are deeply intertwined with our decision-making processes and how they interact with our cognitive functions. By introducing the amygdala as the emotional center of the brain, Goleman emphasizes the crucial importance of understanding and managing our emotions to foster healthy relationships and make sound choices in various aspects of life. The author goes on to provide a comprehensive definition of emotional intelligence, highlighting its multifaceted nature. Emotional intelligence encompasses a range of skills, including self-awareness, self-regulation, empathy, and social skills. Unlike IQ, which is often considered relatively fixed, Goleman argues that emotional intelligence is malleable and can be developed through deliberate effort and practice. Goleman proceeds to examine the profound impact of emotional intelligence in different domains of life. He delves into its significance in personal relationships, emphasizing the pivotal role of empathy and effective communication in building strong and meaningful connections. Goleman also explores the realm of education, underlining the need to cultivate emotional skills in students to enhance their academic performance and social behavior. Throughout the book, Goleman provides in-depth insights into key aspects of emotional intelligence. He highlights the critical importance of self-awareness and encourages readers to explore their emotions, strengths, and weaknesses. Goleman offers practical strategies such as mindfulness and self-reflection to enhance self-awareness and develop a more accurate perception of oneself. Managing emotions is another vital aspect of emotional intelligence that Goleman extensively covers. He emphasizes the significance of self-regulation, which involves recognizing and controlling one's emotions. Goleman provides practical techniques for managing challenging emotions such as anger and anxiety, enabling readers to develop healthier emotional responses and cultivate emotional well-being. Motivation, a crucial factor in achieving goals, is also examined in relation to emotional intelligence. Goleman asserts that individuals with higher emotional intelligence are better equipped to set and pursue goals, persist in the face of obstacles, and bounce back from setbacks. He emphasizes the role of emotional intelligence in maintaining long-term motivation and channeling emotions in a positive direction. Goleman further explores the profound impact of emotional intelligence on personal relationships. He discusses the significance of empathy, understanding, and effective communication in nurturing healthy friendships, romantic partnerships, and family dynamics. Goleman provides valuable insights into resolving conflicts, building trust, and cultivating empathy to foster strong and harmonious relationships. The book also delves into the significance of emotional intelligence in the professional realm. Goleman highlights how emotional intelligence contributes to effective leadership, teamwork, and organizational culture. He emphasizes the positive influence of emotional intelligence on employee engagement, productivity, and overall success in the workplace. In conclusion, emotional intelligence: Why It Can Matter More Than IQ is a groundbreaking and thought-provoking book that challenges the conventional view of intelligence. Daniel Goleman's work highlights the vital role of emotional intelligence in our lives and presents a compelling case for its significance in determining success, happiness, and overall well-being. By exploring the various components of emotional intelligence and its applications in personal relationships and the workplace, Goleman empowers readers to develop and enhance their emotional skills. This book serves as a comprehensive guide, encouraging self-awareness, emotional management, and the cultivation of empathy. Ultimately, Goleman's work urges us to recognize the profound impact of emotional intelligence and its potential to transform our lives for the better.